The world hasn't been designed for girls, and it shows. If you design products, programs, or initiatives for girls or young women, then stay tuned to learn how the process of girl-centered design will help you to add a gender lens to your work. Hi there, I'm Nikki from the Girl Lab. We're a social laboratory testing new ideas to improve girls' lives. Today we're going to be talking about a super effective process called girl-centered design, which will revolutionise your work. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video so the algorithm helps us to reach more people who care about girls. Now, we know the world hasn't been designed for girls because when people create a new product, service, initiative and everything else in between, they tend to design it in their image. Humans have an inbuilt bias, which means that we create things for people just like us. Because we still live in a patriarchal society, it means that typically the world is designed by men for men, with girls' and women's unique needs and barriers often overlooked. It also results in adults creating for adults, failing to consider how differently life is experienced by children and young people. So this means that unless we're really intentional, we end up creating solutions that either don't meet girls' needs or worse, actually further harm or discriminate against girls or just fail to engage them at all. So girl-centered design is based on the concept of human-centered design, which you might have heard of. It's a process of developing solutions to problems by understanding real humans and what they actually need. But girl-centered design includes the crucial added perspectives of gender and safeguarding, ensuring that our solutions are safe, gender transformative, and they do no harm. If you develop programs, campaigns, policies, or products, then girl-centered design can ensure that the solutions that you create for girls are relevant, safe, robust, and iterative, changing to adapt to new situations and contexts to continually improve your offer to girls. That's really important in a climate such as this. For example, being able to be iterative with your offer to girls when the pandemic hit, or ensuring that you're still reaching very vulnerable girls who may have disengaged from education completely since the lockdowns. Without being intentional, these girls who need us the most end up becoming totally invisible. But girl-centered design isn't about exclusively designing for girls to the exclusion of others, but instead placing a gender and a safeguarding lens onto the design process to intentionally include the needs and the experiences of girls, particularly the most marginalised and the most vulnerable, who are least often considered. Take, for example, the well-intended offer of an extracurricular club for marginalised or for vulnerable young people who maybe need academic support. The club is free, it's staffed by well-qualified teachers, and it's held during an evening to avoid clashing with any other after-school activities. So why is it that only boys are attending? Well, without an intentional programme design and a crucial gender lens, the needs of girls will be overlooked. Girls who have caring responsibilities at home for younger siblings, girls who aren't allowed out at night without a male chaperone and wouldn't be able to attend a mixed group at night anyway. Perhaps it's about girls who are fearful about taking public transport or don't have access to it at all. Girls whose education is not prioritised by their families in the same way as their brothers. Girl-centered design can address these barriers and more while we strive to challenge the outdated gender norms and stereotypes that persist in homes, communities and in society as a whole. If you're keen to learn more, download our PDF about our girl-centered design training or contact us to discuss bringing this training to your organisation by emailing hello@thegirllab.org. I'll also post a link below to our online training course, Redesigning Girlhood, which goes into a lot more detail about these themes and more. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well, and thanks for doing your bit to create a world that works for girls. See you soon.